Hi, this is Mike from Minimal 3DP, and today I'm doing a quick release notes video on the latest version of Orca 1.8.1. So let's go ahead and get started. So for the most part, the changes in this minor release are bug fixes for stability's sake, and also a couple new small minor features. These minor features include the ability to turn off and on the thick internal bridges feature. There's also a control now to change the flow rate for internal bridges. There's some fixes for the wall generator for Arachne. There's improved arc fitting, and again, several other changes. And it looks like they've also added a couple additional printer profiles. So again, this is just a minor update, but it's probably worth looking at, particularly depending on how much on the bridges you use. And it looks like too, if you're using a nozzle that's larger in diameter, this may help you too by correcting some issues. So again, if you have any questions or comments, or there's a feature I'm missing, just let me know in the comments, and I'll talk to you again soon. Thanks. Hi, this is Mike from Minimal 3DP, and I want to thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. If you need some additional help, I've also posted some links in the video description. You can set up a 15-minute help session with me, and I'm more than happy to sit down with you and see if I can help you out. If you need some additional help, I'm also going to try doing 1-hour sessions for anybody that's interested. And like I said, I'm testing this stuff out. I want to thank you again for joining me, and I look forward to talking to you again next time. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.